If these items still have product in it, it was just that bad that I couldn't use it anymore and I just had to get rid of it. Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, I think, my very first declutter videos. Declutter videos are a little bit different than empties because these are things personally for me that I did not like enough to finish, or maybe they expire before I was able to finish them. And it kind of says a lot that I'm doing this video because if you know me, you know I don't like wasting stuff. So I have this bag here. It's from Forever 21. The bag is from Forever 21, but it has a whole bunch of empties in here. Not empties, I just said it's different. It has a whole bunch of declutters in here. And we'll get right into it. So I think I'm going to kind of do this video in segments and like different sections because I have hair products in here. I have skincare products in here. So I'm going to start with the hair products first because I am all about natural hair products and sharing tips and things like that for natural hair products. The very first item I have here, this is actually really old. I've had it in this bag for a long time, but this is the Emerge Smooth Mover Conditioner. So if y'all don't know, Target sells this Emerge brand. It's only like $7. This wasn't it for my hair when I was transitioning because I did start my journey transitioning into natural hair. And it wasn't it, but I gave it a chance when I chopped off my relaxed ends and tried it again on my fully natural hair, and it was okay. It was a lot better than when I used it on my transitioning hair, but it wasn't great. So I try to use it as a pre-poo because I like to use cheaper conditioners as a pre-poo anyway, and it did what it did, but I wasn't like too thrilled with it. So I used it up until it got down to here. After a while, I'm just like, there's no point of using it if you don't really like it, so it is what it is. I did do a review on this product, and I'll leave it up in the cards above and in the description box below. I do have another product by them. This one is my main BFF leave-in conditioner. It's nourishing and smoothing, infused with pequi oil for moisture-rich and frizz-free curl definition. Same thing with this one. I wasn't really that big of a fan of it. I try to use them because I do not like wasting product, but I got down to here. Yeah, I don't think you can see it with the glare, but it goes down to here. So I used about half of the bottle. And then this is Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo. It's cleansing and detangling, infused with almond milk. This one goes about halfway down as well. I just shook the bottle, so that's why it looks like there's stuff up here, but it goes down to about here. It's Canvas Beauty Edge Bay. If y'all know, I used to be a brand ambassador for Canvas Beauty, and they sent me so many products, so I have a lot of it. And I used it, but it started to turn in this weird texture, and it just shows that it's old because it comes, you know how edge control comes, it's usually like smooth. I think it was more of a clear color. Now it's more white, and it looks like an exfoliator almost, so I knew it wasn't any good anymore. But I did use a lot of it, and I did really like it. It's slicked my hair down really well, and I just didn't use it in time before it went bad. And then I have another one. This one I did not get to use because, like I said, I have a lot of Canvas Beauty products. Same thing, it turned into a weird texture. It's an edge tamer for all textures. I can attest to that. I'm type 4 hair. I have 4B, 4C hair, and it laid my edges down. I'm not really good with the swooping and doing all the curls and stuff on my edges, but it laid it down. It did what it's supposed to do. So I would get this again. However, I'm no longer a brand ambassador, so I don't get these for free anymore. And I have other ones that work, so I have not actually thought about repurchasing. Another black-owned brand is Sorrento Beauty. This is the avocado and honey leave-in conditioner. It was just too thin for me. Like, look, I'll just show you. Like, it's like a milk, and it just, oh, did you see that? So like how it's going down my hand, that I can already tell you is like kind of thin, and I like my leave-ins to be a little bit thicker than this. As always, I try to use it. It got all the way down to here, but I just wasn't feeling it, so it's time to let it go. Okay, this next one is also a Black-owned brand. This is one of the very first products that I got for my hair for my natural journey. This is a Mael Babasu and Mint Conditioning Shampoo. And it's for dry and curly hair types, sulfate-free and color safe. This is amazing. I did not use it all. And I'm only throwing it away because I think it's really old. It's over 3 years old. It's time for it to go. I will definitely repurchase this if I need to. I'm just trying to get through. I'm a product junkie, y'all. So I will share my product junkie video up here. But I just have so many products right now, and I'm really trying to get through them all because I don't want to be a product junkie like that. It worked when I was transitioning for both my textures. It did not dry my hair. You know how shampoos are drying. Cleansing shampoos can be very drying for your hair because they strip your hair of all the moisture, all the oils. But this didn't do that. And I absolutely loved it. I'm gonna play a video of me when I use it for the very first time. It's soft. I haven't combed it yet, obviously. It's still like yeah, so yeah, it is soft. I used a good amount of it, but I just didn't use it in time, and I feel like after a while products aren't as effective anymore, so I just had to let it go. Mael has really been great to my hair during my journey, my natural hair journey, and I have a lot of Mael videos, so I'll leave those in the description box below. Next I have this Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. It waves, scrunches, conditions, it's fast drying, non-flaking, and adds body in its wet setting. So I've had this since I've been relaxed, and that I've been natural for 3 years. So I've had this for probably 4 or 5 years, and it's just time for this to go. And on here it says, after relaxing with Nairobi Replenishing Relaxer Shampoo, hair thoroughly with our normalizing shampoo. So it's for relaxed hair, I think. It was good when I did have relaxed hair, but I don't use it. So time for that to go. Next we have another product. I actually think I used this before starting my natural journey, so this has been in my bathroom for a while now. I absolutely love the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. This one is the thermal protector. Obviously I do not put a lot of heat on my hair anymore because I'm natural. It's almost gone, but see, it goes down to here. But it's just been a while that I've had it in my collection, and it's just time for it to go. Next, I have these two conditioners. They are from OGX. I think I got them when I was couponing, but they were at the start of my natural hair journey. These are just regular conditioners, and this one is supposed to help quench dry, damaged hair. And then I have the Frosted Sugar Cookie Conditioner. This is just the holiday limited edition one. I think I just got this one because it smelled good. It smells like sugar cookies. So it smells good, but I don't know if it really did much for my hair. So this one has a little bit more than this one. This is basically an empties. It goes down to here. This one, it is down to here. These have been in this bag for a while, so I don't quite remember how they were, but based on the usage, I would say I would repurchase this one again if I needed to, just as a pre-poo. Just like the two Canvas Beauty edge controls, there's this one from Eben, New York. It's an edge donut, and it says, "This is not food, please don't consume." It looks like a donut. It's really cute. I got it because it's cute. And even their edge control actually works. It's real thick and it slicks down those edges, but it looks like cotton candy in here. So this is not good anymore. But I was using it and I liked it. It says extreme firm too, so it was a really good hold, and it smelled like glazed vanilla. It had biotin and argan oil in here, so this is really good for your edges. It's not, well, you know, you're not supposed to be using too much edge control because it could pull too hard on your edges, which are like really fragile. But it has biotin, which is supposed to support hair growing, and then argan oil. This is really good. Just have to use it in a shorter period of time. Next, I have this Pro Style Super Whole Protein Styling Gel. It's that black gel that people use on their relaxed hair usually. It's almost an empty, but I just stopped using it because I went natural. I like how it smells, and it does have a good hold. I have no need for this now. Then I have this Care Conditioning Cream Hair Dress. I got this from a beauty supply store. They sent it to me for free, and I used it probably like once or twice. I had other products that were creams. I don't like how this smells right now. And yeah, this is how much I use. Not really a lot, maybe once or twice like I mentioned. If I don't use it, I don't want it, so I don't need that. Then I got this when I was relaxed, I believe. This is a Mango Butter Daily Hair Dress. It's like a grease basically. I got it because it smells so good, but I stopped using grease when I went natural. Time for that to go. Then I have this aloe vera 100% gel. I got this as like a travel size gel for my hair. Do this. It goes like to here. So I used a good amount, but it was a travel size. I separate my travels from my regular size products, so out of sight, out of mind. If I'm not traveling, I don't use it. And it's just time for us to go. So that was it for hair products. Now we're gonna go into beauty items. And I have this black owned product here. It's by Ayade Health and Beauty. I got it from this girl on Instagram because one of my friends knew her and she was promoting her stuff on her page. I'm like, oh, I want something different for my face because I've been using Clinique forever and I just wanted something different to try out. The name of the product is the Ocean Oasis Face Wash. It's liquid African black soap, argan oil, black currant seed oil, hemp seed oil, turmeric, sandalwood, vegetable glycerin, manuka honey, essential oil blend, and love. So I think there's something in here that does not sit well or mix well with my skin because I broke out. And I only broke out when I was on my period, so I thought that was weird, but I broke out and I used quite a bit too. It's like all the way down here. You can't really see it because the bottle's so dark. So just had to let this one go. This one has also been sitting in this bag for so long. I've had it for a while now and I have not been using it for a while now. So it's really old. You can see all the dust on here. All right, next we'll go for some moisturizers and lotions. So I have this Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This is a staple in my skincare routine. This is a travel size and you see it's almost gone. This is A1 from day one. I love Clinique products and I've done a video on this before. I'll leave it up in the cards or in the description box below, but Clinique is one of my favorite brands for skincare. So I already repurchased that numerous times, but that's just the travel size. Now I don't buy the travel size. I just pour my normal size into a travel size bottle so that I'm not wasting. I love the creams and butters from the Body Shop. I just didn't get around to using this one. And this one's the almond and milk honey. I do have a lot left in here, but it's just old. So it's time for us to go. I just need to make space for the new stuff that I have. Next, I have this Dove Beauty Cream. I love Dove. It's good for, I think, sensitive skin because their products aren't harsh and the scent is very light. This one is basically gone, but I didn't put in my empties because there was still a little bit left. I like this product. It smells really good. It's the original Dove scent, so you can't go wrong with this. It's a travel size. You could just throw it in your purse if you wanted to. Dove is a brand that I enjoy using, so I would definitely repurchase this again. Next, I have the sample size Tasha Silk Peony. It's like an eye cream, melting eye cream for all skin types. It was like a thick cream for under the eyes, and it did feel like silk, but I think I just had it too long, and it's just time for this to go because it just felt weird after a while of having it. And I don't really know if eye creams work for me. I don't really use them consistently enough to give a definite answer anyway, so that's on me really. Then I got these cheap gel masks from like Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of those stores, and I tried them. I don't really like them. They don't really do anything for me, so they gotta go. This one is in rose and this one's gold. I was attracted to it because of the packaging and the colors, but they don't really do nothing for me, so yeah. Next I have a few mascaras. I have this cheap one that I got from, I think, Marshalls. It was on sale and it's like it was less than $2, so I picked it up. It's a mascara, so it was cool. This one, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, was really good. It was more than $2. But this one, I think I got this with something else like together from Sephora. But I really did like this. It was very plumping. My eyelashes are really long already, but look at the brush. It's a really thick mascara and I liked it. It is not better than never mind. This one is from e.l.f. It is a lip plumper and primer. So one side is the plump side and it smells like peppermint, and this side is the primer, so it's like more of a creamy. So creamy, but it's white, the primer, and then the plump side is like a clear side. It smells like peppermint, and peppermint's supposed to help plump your lips. So this was cool, but I didn't really need it. I don't need no plumping for my lips. And it's from e.l.f. So I don't know if you can still see e.l.f. there, but this one, it's just old, and plus I don't need it, so it's time for that to go. Then I have some strip lash adhesive with aloe. This is a clear formula for putting on your lashes, and I suck at doing my lashes. This thing is so old, and you can tell it probably has like a 6-month shelf life, and I probably try to stretch it for as long as I could, but I don't even do lashes. I suck at doing lashes. Maybe I should try that more often, but just gotta go. And then I have this Sephora blush. I really like this blush, but as you can see, I dropped it and there's like pieces of blush everywhere. It's just messy. I tried to use it after dropping it, but it's just messy, and I gotta let it go because I have other blushes. I think I got it because it was like the cheapest option there, but I really liked it because it has like a little shimmer and glitter in here, and I thought that was really cute. Lastly, I have these two body sprays. They're both in the same scent, actually, Sweet Pea and Pink Sweet Pea Fantasy. I probably got this from church in a goodie bag or something. It's not a brand name that I know, just a random, probably cheap one. This one's from Bath & Body Works. I'm not really a fan of Sweet Pea anymore, so they gotta go. And that's it. This is a fun video. I think I like empties and declutter videos because you get to see, it's like my YouTube friend Latrice Kelly, shout out to her. She says that empties videos are like a reversal of the unboxing video. So you're basically giving a review of a product after actually using the product. So it's not like a first impressions review. It's I used this a few times and then I'm giving you a review of it. And I think I like that better because the first time a product could be perfect, but then maybe next time it won't work at the same way, or vice versa. You might not like something initially, and then after using it for a while you end up liking it or loving it. I think you get a better sense of if that product was actually good or not. So I actually enjoyed doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of the products that I wasn't quite a fan of, or if you loved any of the products that I wasn't a fan of. Just let me know in the comments below what your thoughts were on these products that I shared today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next post, I'll see you guys later. Bye.